Let's celebrate that caffeine is just one of those drugs that are just acceptable to have lots and lots of in all sorts of form. So we will take it, make it dirty, and serve up this dirty chai latte, which you could say is like a Big Mac, because yes, it's a double dose of caffeine from black tea and coffee. Delicious. So stop smacking your lip and drooling over the screen. We're going to make it now, so if you like ingredients and instructions, check that out below or else you won't have access. We're going to be using loose leaf black tea to dirty up this drink, and for the coffee, just get your favorite kind. Doesn't matter which one it is, and prepare a strong espresso. Or instead, you can make a strong coffee in a French press. Did you know a French press actually was invented in Italy in the late 1920s, but became popular in France. And because it became popular, it was called the French press. So cool. The water for the tea will be simmering with a couple smashed pieces of ginger and an assortment of whole spices to flavor up that tea. Then you want to lower the heat when you add in the tea leaves and simmer until the water has a rich reddish kind of hue. We'll also add in the espresso or the pressed coffee we made earlier. And before you go, whoa, 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 that drink's gonna be way too strong? Well, glad you asked. That's why we have the milk. We want to steam this up on the stovetop or the microwave. It doesn't matter. But what matters is that you use a frother or a whisk or something to get that milk foamed up, frothed up, just how you are waiting for this drink, all frothy in your mouth. The milk will balance out the flavor, and the vanilla and brown sugar will be right behind it to add sweetness and really round out that strong caffeine-rich flavor. Then after a couple of minutes, portion out the tea into your favorite cylindrical latte vessels and follow through with that frothed milk. And if you thought, that's it, you thought wrong, because there's more. Sprinkle on with some cinnamon. And with that dramatic surprise ingredient, you can rest easy. Sip on this dirty chai tea latte. But since chai just means tea, guess this actually is a dirty tea latte. So cheers, and thanks for watching.